Hello friends, this is Krishna and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to do social login or Google login in React. So let's start our tutorial. So first I am opening the browser. So you have to navigate to console.developers.google.com here, and in that you have to go to project section and you have to click on that. Here if you have already created project you can select from this, and if you want to create a new project then you have to click on new project. So you will be navigating to this page, and here you have to give any name. I am giving it as a temporary project, and if you are from any organization you can give that organization name here by browsing here, and I am creating this. So once it is created you will be getting the notification here the project is created like that, and once it is done you have to go here and select your project. I am selecting temp projects. And after that you have to click on credentials. In the credential section you have to click on create credentials. In this created credentials you will be having 4 options. You have to click on OAuth client ID. Once this is done you will be navigated to this create OAuth client ID page. You have to click on configure consent screen. Here you can do all the configurations for the consent screen, and if you want to use that within your organization you can select as internal, and if you want to use everywhere then you can create it as external, and I am creating this. So here you will have to register your application. You have to specify the application name here, temp project, and I am giving my email ID here. App logo if you want to give, and this is the email address. You can give anything here. So this is the mandatory section. Once that is done you have to click on save and continue, and these are related to optional sections. You can click on save and continue. These are related to optional, so save and continue. So you can see whatever you have specified you can recheck here, and once that is done you have to click on back to dashboard. After this you have to click on credentials, create credentials, and the same thing OAuth client ID. Now you will be navigated to this create OAuth client ID but with the different UI. So you have to select here application type. If you are using web application then web application you have to select, and Android, Chrome, iOS, etc. different things. I am selecting web application, and my web application name I am specifying as temproj, and here you have to, this is the main section. Here you have to write your JavaScript origins, so your website name or anything. I am using my local machine so I am specifying this one. You have to mention both authorized JavaScript origins as well as authorized redirect URLs. Once that is done you have to click on create. So once that is done you are almost good to go. So you can copy this client ID and store it somewhere. So I am copying this and I will be storing this client ID in my notepad or somewhere. Now we will be going to our application. So I am storing this here and commenting this. Now you can see my application. I have created an application called React One, and I have a component, different components here, and I am going to do my code in app.js here. Now I am opening my console, and you have to execute a command called as npm install react google login -save. So we will wait until this command got executed and successful. So our command got successfully executed. You can check in the package.json here, react google login. So I'm opening my terminal, and now you have to write your code here. So before that I am executing my application. I am starting my application using npm start. Now I have the predefined code here, so I am sharing this code with you everyone, so that everyone can easily copy paste this. So basically we are importing Google login here from React Google login, and we are using this Google login here. On success it will be executed, response Google will be executed. On failure the same thing will be executed. We will be logging that into the console. So here you have to specify the client ID what you have copied. So I am copying this and I am pasting here. So once this is done, you can go back to your browser and check whether it's working or not. I am saving this. Let's check whether it's working or not in our browser. Now let's navigate to our browser and check whether it's working or not. So you can see here we got a button called login with Google, and once I click on that it will show signing and the different accounts, and this is the project name what we have created. And I am going to click on this. So I am going to enter my password. So let's check whether it's going to throw any error or it's going to show us any message. So if you see here, you got login successfully, and if I open the console, you can see the objects, you can see the response what we got here. So this is also the object what I got here. So you can get the access token, you can get all the information here in the object. So this is the end of this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, thank you.